processed sugar.
and stuff like that. I never buy it. I try to think like I don't want to put anything into my body unless I know it's going to be deeply nourishing. That stuff is not nourishing. So think like vegetables, fruit, fish, berries, things that really, any of that processed stuff, chips, and yeah, sometimes I eat it when other people have it, but I don't buy it.
But I bought them for this hurricane.
That's fine. I would have done the same thing.
I bought last time, maybe 2 years ago.
A little treat, that's cool, but
I just eat almonds, dates, and bunch of banana, cranberries, and almond milk. I just eat them. I don't eat normal food, even if like I don't eat it in the car. Yeah.
Yup.
Beat me to what?
Eating meat and being active, like lifting weights,
Yeah.
going to the gym, it will, like over time, you'll see what it does. I was going to the gym 5 days a week with my ex.
Just walking.
Walking.
Walking will keep you so fit.
It's a lot of it is mental. The point is, you have to love where you're at. When I was like
For me, it's like I walk
200 pounds.